Oh, heavens. This is too much. Guess that looks a little better. Look at it. Look at this Shein wig. Right out the packaging. A hot mess, in my opinion. I know it's a synthetic wig, but she ain't keeping no secrets. She is obviously synthetic. I mean, do y'all see what I see? This is, I don't know, it just seems so like frizzy and unkempt. It's just, for it to be right out the package looking like this, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not, I don't know. I really didn't know what to expect for like a curly, wavy, synthetic unit. But of course I kept it safe with the bang, you know. A safe wig. But this is not, it's okay. As I'm wearing it and zhuzhing it up and whatnot, it's growing on me. It's not like horrible or anything, but yeah, it's warming up on your girl, but I don't know. Out the bag, it had me so shell shocked. I'm just like, this ain't gonna work out. But I think it can work out. The bangs are not, I'm gonna have to like do something. I know we can't put heat on it, but I'm gonna have to put some heat on this because it's not cooperating. It's this raggedy bang. I got the full one with it in the mud. Y'all, I can't. This is a black unit. I think it's about 18 inches. I think it's about an 18-inch synthetic wavy wig. I'll put the details there. I had high hopes for this wig. I still have a little bit of hope, but I had higher hopes before I opened it. I don't know. I'm gonna wear this unit to worship service today and just, you know, see what happens. And yeah, I'll come back with an update. I also want to show y'all my new dress. I might wear it to worship service today, although I will say it's not really like a church dress. It's just a nice dress, and I'm gonna wear it to church. So, but there's no like real definition of what like a church dress is. You know what a church dress is not. Actually, I think I just talked myself out of wearing this dress today. I don't know. I've got some things I really want to show y'all, and this dress is one of them. And I've just kind of had an idea that has me wanting to reserve the look for another video. Yep. I think I'm gonna wear velvet and lace today. It's what I was drawn to. I might put on some pantyhose, but I'm not sure yet. I wish the clip where I just opened it for y'all on camera just failed, so I won't be including that. But nonetheless, this bang is killing me, and I'm having second thoughts on this outfit. The lace, it looks like butterflies. Can y'all tell? The belt, such a nice touch. Can't even lie about it, but I don't know. This might not be the dress for today. I want to change again. Y'all, should I wear this one? I don't know why I'm asking y'all. I'm thinking about wearing this one. This one. This is a church dress. My daddy bought me this. This can pass for church. But it's really long and long sleeve. That's kind of what I'm going for since we're just coming off of a couple of snow days. It's not cold, like freezing cold like it's been, but it's still winter, you know? I don't know if I want to wear the lace to worship today. I think I want to wear this because I am really comfortable in this dress. But I also want to wear this dress. Honestly, I am really torn. You see, I've put on the other dress, and now I'm not even trying to wear this because I know I wanted to wear the belt with this, and I just think that it's too much for worship. I don't know why I'm overthinking it today. I think maybe because I know I'm filming, and I'll be filming afterwards. That's probably what it is. But I really need to just focus on the fact that this is worship. I really don't need to prioritize the wrong thing when I need to get my mind right for praise. However, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change one more time. Oh, I just went upstairs and my mom told me she really likes this hair on me. So that's a good sign. If my mom can approve of it, it's So she said, ooh, I like it, it's really nice. I wear this with this dress. Also a new purchase from Shein. I know y'all are gonna get tired of my Shein content. Alrighty. You see that this kind of looks like fabric with, you know, the accents on there. It stank. The fabric or the rhinestones, I highly doubt it's the rhinestones. It's the fabric holding that smell. It stinks. So as I'm talking to you, I can smell this necklace. It's got a rank to it. It's got a stench to it. So I'm going to hit myself with a little bit of my favorite perfume by Lancome. It's my favorite, my number one. If you want to give me anything, that perfume is always on my wish list. But I'm just gonna tell y'all, like, this stinks. Like, out the packaging, boy, it has a smell. I want to take it off, but I do not have time for that. I literally have to head out the house now. So I'm gonna spray a little perfume and call it a day. But I just want y'all to know it is like a little factory smell or something coming from this particular piece. I haven't opened anything else from Shein where I've experienced like a smell of some sort, but this necklace, I had to let y'all know because it was powerful. It is powerful. Alrighty, time to go. Let me show y'all the snow we have today.